When your schedule is packed and a frappuccino seems like a luxury, getting a facial probably falls off the to-do list. But it shouldn't. After all, facials are a crucial anti-aging tool. See, clear, beautiful skin doesn't have to be complicated. Besides removing blackheads and exfoliating dry, flaky skin, facials help lessen dark spots from long-term damage and poor habits. Yet how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'm going to share with you information about one of our most popular anti-aging facials. It's called the Age Beauty Corrective Facial, and it's absolutely perfect for men and women who want a multi-correction treatment that targets the visible signs of aging. Designed to restore the skin to its natural luminosity, the Age Beauty Corrective Facial consists of bioactive peptide, undaria seaweed, and tomato stem cell extract. Together, these ingredients give a powerful punch against the appearance of aging skin and boost skin elasticity while eliminating dullness and flaking. When you enjoy a facial here, we first cleanse the skin of dead cells and debris to allow for easy absorption of nutrients. To achieve this, we use natural ingredients combined with papain to stimulate cellular growth and gentle exfoliation. Next, we focus on reducing the level of the body's stress hormone cortisol, so that your skin is fully prepared to receive the treatment. We do this by using a special blend of essential oils and warm cloths to enhance relaxation. This is followed by a series of relaxing massage strokes to loosen all tension and instill maximum relaxation. The massage also helps restore lymphatic function and remove excess fluids and impurities. Once your Age Beauty Serum is ready, we apply it to the skin through a special massage intended to increase penetration, oxygenate the tissue, and enhance your skin's contour. Finally, to enhance the cosmetic results of the treatment, we apply a pressure point massage before applying a conditioning mask that amplifies the overall results of your facial.